Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So we didn't quite get to the level we were looking for rejection, which was up here at 0.99469. So nothing really happened yesterday. A bit of a range bar and then a big engulfing bar. If we look at the oscillators pointing down, everything's pointing towards a continuation to the downside here. And if we look at the 1 hour, we are looking for a move up, and I think looking at how the oscillators are separating, we are probably looking for a move up to come and test resistance, which will be around here, 0.98369. So if this happens in the European session, there's a good opportunity for a short here. If it moves far, I would get my stop to entry as quick as possible because we do have data coming out. If it gets up here late in the session, close to the when the data is coming out, which is non-farm payrolls, I'll be sitting on the sides and ignoring this. So that's kind of the view we've got on Euro USD. If we move to US dollar Japanese yen, we're sideways. We're still in a range. I've actually got no interest in trading this at the moment. You can see we have broken to the upside, but this is not a solid enough sort of test of this range. This range has been going on for quite some time, and we've dipped up above it in the past. So that I will sit on my hands. We'll pick this one up on Monday rather. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. Move up, move down, back in the moving averages flat. Look at the separation here of the oscillators. It is looking like probably a buying opportunity, but we're back in the sideways price action, and it does not excite me at all. If you look at the hour, it gives you a different picture completely. This is indicating potentially a rejection of 162.634 for a move to the downside. So, and if you just come back to the 8th hour, you'll probably find those two levels are pretty much what. Remember, we got stuck in here a couple of weeks ago. So this is also not interested in this until we break those levels properly. Lastly, Euro British pound. We've got a bit of a channel. We've broken a triangle. I don't like the way the oscillators are looking. This is looking like a flag now. So a big move down, a bit of consolidation, and then if we get a break of this area that I've got in here, you're more than likely going to see a big move down. And ultimately, it's going to need to be a break and retest of 0.87582. So until that happens, I'm not really interested in it. If you look at the oscillators, kind of nowhere. We are waiting for data today. There's going to be, I think it's going to be a big move if the data is strong all week. If it's off what we're forecasting by any minor number, I think you're going to see a big move in one direction or other. And the problem is we can't anticipate which direction that is. So I am sitting on the side, not really interested in this right now. We'll wait for the data. If the data is well off what analysts are expecting, then we'll look to see if there's opportunities. But other than that, I'm not interested in it. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.